So hello and welcome to another lecture in Mastering ComfyUI for AI image generation course by techlatest.net. So far we had covered a lot of things like course overview, objectives, then introduction to ComfyUI stable diffusion, and then some techniques. Then apart from this, setup installation of ComfyUI in various cloud platforms including AWS, GCP, Azure. Then how to use custom models from Hugging Face, these things. So now in this lecture we're talking about basically the user interface of ComfyUI. Okay, so if you're talking about user interface of ComfyUI, so basically it is a node-based user interface, and like you can manage models and do a lot of things. Okay, so let's go on ComfyUI user interface first. Okay, so this is basically the ComfyUI user interface. So like first, in short, I'll also explain once again like what is ComfyUI. Okay, so ComfyUI allows user to create custom workflows for generating images by connecting different functional blocks and known as nodes. Each node represents a specific task in the image generation process, such as loading models or processing text prompts. These modular approaches provides flexibility and transparency how workflows are constructed and executed. Okay, so this is about the ComfyUI user interface. Let's go with one by one step. Okay, so here you can see the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and other numbers. Okay, like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. So this is basically the workflow of ComfyUI. You can see that we can scroll and like minimize it and maximize it. Okay, so here you can see the load checkpoints, clip text encode, clip text prompt, then K sampler. Here you can do additional settings like seed. You can also like resize the images. Then here you can see the empty lengthened image like width, height, best size, and other things. Then here you can see VAE code like samples VAE, and here you can see the output. Basically, you can save the images, and like if I give any prompt, so you can watch the image here. Okay, then these are some extra options like you can say, give your workflow any name, like anything which you want. Then load options are here. Okay, so you can like save the images, refresh option, and then clip space option are there, clear, load default, reset view. So these are some options. Okay, then after this you can see that we can scroll and minimize it. Basically it is a node based user interface, and if you give click on Q prompt, so it will generate images. Here you can see that K sampler is working. This VM is running on GPU, and if you want some like if you want more affordable prices, so you can go with CPU VM. Okay, but CPU VM is work very slow, and GPU VM is work very fast, like it generate images 10x faster than CPU VM. Okay, so if you are like deploying VM on CPU, so it takes 7 to 10 minutes to generate images. And if you are working on GPU, so more than 30 less than 30 seconds you can generate images by giving a prompt. Okay, so this is like the prompt I am giving, and here you can see the image generated. I am using the SDXL base 1.0 safe answers model. Like by default this model is come with this VM, and if you want to use any other model from Hugging Face, so you can use that model or any other resource. So you can use that model using wget commands. In previous lecture I already explained these things. Okay, so here you can see like clip text encode, clip text decode. These are some user interface. Then here you can see zoom in zoom out button, then reset view, then select mode. These are some select mode, pane mode, and then toggle link visibility. So these are some things like you can uh, check on user interface of ComfyUI. Now let's talk about some key benefits. Lightweight and fast. It is very lightweight and fast. ComfyUI runs efficiently, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. If you are a newbie in this field like AI image generation, ComfyUI, so you can easily generate images by giving a prompt. Then highly customizable. Users can tailor their workflows extensively according to your needs. Transparent data flow. The visual representation of nodes like moves through the workflow. If you can see that, so you can move node anywhere. Okay, so once again I'm saying it is a node based interface, and you can like scroll and do anything with this user interface. Then easy sharing workflows can be saved and shared as file, facilitating collaboration and reproducibility. Okay, if you want to save workflow, and you can like give any name and then you can confirm it, so you can easily save the workflows and you can share it. Then if you want to save on your local machine, so you can also do that. Okay, then navigating the user interface main components. So the ComfyUI interface consists of several key components like workspace, menu panel, then node information area, and then basic operations, zoom in, zoom out, then displays details about the selected nodes, including parameters and other things, connecting nodes, click and drag from one node output dot to another input dot. Okay, move to the workplace, click and drag with the left mouse to the reposition your view. So a clip text encoder, node transforms, text prompts, basically you have to give prompts in clip text encode. Then K-sampler responsible for refining a random latent image into a detailed final product through a denoising process. And the latest updates have introduced several elements aimed to improving user experience, basically remap UI layout and new features. There are some new features, you can also check it out on Google. Then in summary, ComfyUI provides a versatile and intuitive platform for generating AI art through its node-based interface. By its components and functionality, users can create sophisticated workflows similar to their artistic needs. So that's all about this lecture. I hope you guys like this lecture. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye. We'll meet in next video.